Hey, I'm just going to create this live text video for you. So once you log on to live text, you're going to want to click on live text documents. If you don't have any portfolios here, you're going to go click on new. Now, they don't have a portfolio for special education undergrad. So if you look, you have the university, Auburn University of Montgomery. And if you click on their portfolios, the only special education that they have is undergrad. So I just created one for a master's, and I just went down to portfolio under the live text one, and I went to blank portfolio. So once you click blank portfolio, I'm just going to go to mine. You can title it, and I just titled mine Master's in Special Education Portfolio. Once you open it, you can look to the left hand side and you'll see a plus sign, and this is where you can start adding your pages. So for the INST class, I know we had to do a welcome, and all you have to do is just click the plus sign and then type in welcome, and it'll pop up. And so this will be like our little introduction. Once you create the welcome, you have another plus sign, and you go down to text and image. And when you do that, this is what pops up. So you can edit, because it'll probably say untitled document right here. And I just put welcome again. And then once you go to edit, this is where you can upload all of our assignments that we're doing in the INST class. Or for the welcome, you just put your introduction. So we'll kind of come back to this a little later. But I think we have to create a resume one. So I just titled it resume, and I have my resume on Google Docs. So I just put in the link. I don't know if he wants us to actually put the resume in there itself, but I just put the link there. And then I created, once again, go to the plus page or the plus sign, and then I created the INST class, this technology class. So what we're supposed to have labeled is a unit plan, cool tools for the classroom, your cool tool presentation, and I just put our URL link, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Then we have to have another one that says assistive technology, and then our artifacts. So anything that we're doing in class so far. And I just have our blog and our cool tools collection. So once again, you're going to want to go to the plus sign once you've created this class and go to text and image. When you go to, let's just click on the cool tool presentation. When you create all of these, you just keep adding the plus sign and you do unit plan. And then don't forget there'll be another plus sign here, and then you go to text and image. So I'm going to click edit because I've already created it. And then this is where you can either upload an attachment. So if you have something on your computer, you just go to file attachment and then upload new document, and you pull it from your computer and you can save it that way. Or if you want to link your video like I just did, you just click on the link and then insert your URL. And that's where I put that. And then when you get done uploading everything, you just click save and finish. And then you can always go back to it and just keep clicking edit. So I'm going to have a lot more classes, but as you start taking classes and other courses, I just always title them whatever the class name is. So once again, just a plus sign and then title whatever your class name is. But for his class, we just have to have these areas: the unit plan, the cool tools, the cool tool presentation, assistive technology, and artifacts. So if you have questions, let me know. And then I'll show you how to share the document at a later time, because you'll have to send it in for share. Don't worry about the dashboard just yet. But whenever we do get ready to submit, what you'll do, you'll just go to begin assignment, and then you just attach your document. So what you'll do just to kind of show you. You'll go attach, and then whatever portfolio you made, you just click it and then mash attach. And then all your assignments you have in your live text will be in there, will be submitted. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later.